Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify MongoDB data quality for big data pipelines, full guide step by step clearly. Start by defining what data quality means in the context of MongoDB. Explain the importance of data quality for big data pipelines. Begin by accessing your MongoDB instance. Use a reliable MongoDB client like MongoDB Compass or the command line interface. Identify the collection you wish to analyze for data quality. Run initial queries to get a sense of the data structure. Check the number of documents in the collection. Examine the schema of your data to ensure consistency. Look for fields that should be mandatory and verify their presence. Analyze data types for each field to confirm they align with your expectations. Use aggregation pipelines to get insights into data distribution. Calculate statistics such as counts, averages, and unique values. Identify any anomalies or outliers in the data using these statistics. Create a list of key performance indicators that define data quality for your needs. Implement checks for duplicate records by using the aggregation framework. Utilize MongoDB's indexing features to improve query performance for data checks. Leverage third-party tools or libraries if necessary for more advanced validation. Consider implementing schema validation rules directly in MongoDB. Test these validation rules in a staging environment before deploying them. Schedule regular audits of your data to maintain ongoing quality. Document any findings and corrective actions taken. Establish a monitoring system to flag data quality issues as they arise. Use logging and alerting tools to track data quality over time. Integrate data quality checks into your existing data pipeline workflow. Train your team on best practices for maintaining data quality in MongoDB. Continuously evaluate and improve your data quality strategy as your data needs evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.